Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very special recipe that my sister-in-law made in Pakistan. This is a very special recipe. All of us really enjoyed it, with crispy fries, crispy chicken, spaghettis. It was just lovely. I hope you will like it. It's an amazing recipe. Do try it out. So let's get started. For this recipe, you need 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 500 grams of chicken cubes, and 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of black pepper as well. You also add 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes in it, and then give it a good stir, mix it, and leave it for at least half an hour to marinate. And while the chicken is marinating, you cook your spaghettis. So cook your spaghetti according to the package instructions. As you can see, the spaghetti is now ready. Drain it and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. And here you can see my nephew Abishar is chopping some vegetables. For this recipe you need capsicums, carrots and cabbage in really thinly sliced. He did a really good job. I'm so proud of him. He is so helpful. So after that you need 300 grams of chicken cubes that you are going to cook for the spaghettis. Cook them in oil and 2 onions. Once the chicken changes color, add all the vegetables in it and soy sauce. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. While the chicken is getting cooked with the vegetables, prepare your potatoes, peel them and thinly slice them for the crispy French fries. Now you can see that the chicken and the vegetables are ready, and we will add our spaghetti in it. Give it a good mix. And that's it, our spaghetti is ready. It's such an easy recipe, really delicious and easy, quick to make. Fry the marinated chicken so that it's crispy, and then add it on top of the spaghettis, just like this. To prepare the crispy fries, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour, pinch of salt and black pepper, and then fry them in really hot oil. Look at the sizzling oil. It's looking so tempting and it's so therapeutic. So the fries are now ready and I'm going to try one. Yummy. It is really nice. Oh, delicious. Just yummy. Would you like to try some? Please tell me in the comments. And here you can see the food is ready, but the children are absorbed in their gadgets. And while we are waiting for them to stop playing or watching whatever they're watching, they're just nibbling the French fries. Well, that's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe and I'm sure you will try to make it. Please give me your feedback in the comments and share this recipe with your friends. Give me a like. Until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.